Why do 90% of dessert chefs swear by gelatin? The secret's in the jiggle. Let's unravel its story. Gelatin has a surprisingly fascinating history. It all started in the early 17th century when French cooks realized that boiling animal bones created a magical jelly-like substance. Fast forward to today, and gelatin is a staple in every foodie's pantry. So, how's it made? First, animal collagen is extracted, usually from the bones and skin of pigs and cows. Then it's purified, filtered, and dried into a powder. Add water and voila, you've got the key ingredient for countless dishes, from classic jello desserts and marshmallows to savory aspic and even gummy bears. Gelatin is the unsung hero of the culinary world. It adds texture, stability, and a touch of magic to your favorite recipes. Hungry for more food fun? Comment, share, and subscribe to Cravery in the Kitchen. Thanks for watching, and keep jiggling that gelatin.